Hey, how's it going, everyone? Welcome back to Cashback Medi. I'm your host, Medi, and with 2020 already being over, or maybe almost over, depending on when you're watching this video, hopefully we end up seeing a redemption year in the year 2021, full of happiness and joy, with traveling being normal again, kids being able to play again, and coughing and sneezing outdoors being ignored and a normal thing to do again. I'm sure a lot of you, or maybe some of you, know what I'm talking about. With that being said, with the vaccines that are coming out, or maybe has come out in 2021, I'm hoping that the year 2021 ends up having a all-time high traveling, or maybe the highest that it's ever been. Which is why I'm going to be going over one of the best travel cards you can probably get in the year 2021. Last week, I actually went over another travel card, which was the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. And if you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check that out as well. That card is probably more for the average traveler or even a casual traveler like myself. And I actually have the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, and currently I'm actually trying to figure out, do I want to upgrade my Chase Sapphire Preferred card to the Chase Sapphire Reserve card, and will it be worth it based off of the benefits, based off of the rewards, and also will it be worth it based off of the high annual fee that you're going to be seeing on this card. Right off the bat, I want to say that if you're definitely a frequent flyer, meaning you fly maybe more than 5 times a year, you travel more than 5 times a year, you would probably more likely benefit from having this Chase Sapphire Reserve card. If you're anywhere less than that, then you would probably be better off with the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, and you can check it out in the link below if you would rather get that card than this card. And we'll actually go ahead and get started and look at the details of this card. But I did want to say that currently I have done my 3rd video for this YouTube channel, and I still don't have any subscribers. I still have 0, as you can see right now. And I'm hoping that maybe you can be the first subscriber to the channel. I don't want to be my own first subscriber, don't make me do it. But I'm hoping that one of you guys will be willing to subscribe if you are enjoying my videos, as well as looking forward to other credit card videos, as well as maybe some other personal finance videos down the line. So please do subscribe. Please hit the like button to help out the channel. So if you're familiar with my videos, you know that I don't usually go over the details of the credit cards. I bring in a special guest, Professor M, and Professor M is here again today. So I'm very excited to go ahead and let Professor M go over the details of the card. And again, he's not really a professor, so hey, welcome back YouTube viewers, this is Professor M, and as I've said many times before, I'm not a credit card expert, but I am what you call a credit card connoisseur. Basically, that's when you have a lot of credit cards, and you like to study about credit cards, and you like to research about credit cards. That's what I am. Today we have a very special lecture. We're going to be talking about an amazing travel card, could be the travel card for 2021, based off the number of times you travel each year, but we are going to be talking about the Chase Sapphire Reserve credit card. So in terms of the intro bonus for this card, you actually get 50,000 bonus points if you spend more than $4,000 in the first 3 months of opening this credit card. Now those 50,000 points is actually going to be worth about $750 in rewards by using the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal. You can actually also do a Chase Travel 1-to-1 partner ratio program, where it's going to be, your points are going to be worth up to $1,200. Might not be exactly $1,200, could be more, could be less, but using this travel partner program, you can actually get more out of your points than using the Chase Ultimate Rewards. And of course, this is Cashback Medi, so I do have to bring up the topic on how much you can get for cashback with this card. You can only get $500 with that 50,000 bonus. So I wouldn't recommend this for a cashback card. So the annual fee is actually going to be something that you're going to be a little bit shocked about, maybe a lot shocked about, and it's going to be $550 for the annual fee. And don't get me wrong, it's definitely a really high annual fee. It can be worth it. We're going to take a look at the benefits and the rewards for this card, and then Medi's actually going to go back later and see if that $550 annual fee is going to be worth it for the average traveler. So to actually help mitigate that annual fee, you can actually get $300 reimbursement for travel purchases. Now normally you can only reimburse those $300 towards travel purchases, but because of COVID, until June 30th, 2021, you can actually reimburse those dollars towards gas stations and grocery store purchases as well. Now we'll go ahead and actually look at the rewards and benefits of this card, and you'll kind of notice that if you do know about the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, that this card is like one level better than the Chase Sapphire Preferred. And so if it's like 2 times benefit for the other card, this card can have 3 times benefit, so on and so forth. So you can actually get 3 times points on travel for each dollar spent. You might be asking, what exactly counts as travel for this card? Well, I'll show you right now on the screen. These are the list of categories where it counts as travel to get the 3 times points per dollar. Now, of course, if you're traveling, you're actually going to be doing dining as well, right? So there's benefits for that too. You can actually get 3 times points on dining worldwide, including eligible delivery services, takeout, and dining out per dollar. So for a limited time, there's actually benefit to get grocery points as well. So you can actually get 3 times points on grocery store purchases per dollar, up to $1,000 in grocery store purchases during the promotional period, which is going to last through the April 30th, 2021. And this actually includes eligible pickup and delivery services as well. And just like every other card, you actually also get 1 times point per dollar for every other type of purchase. Another good benefit, and I feel like this should be mandatory for all travel cards, is that there's no foreign transaction fees for this card. There's truly an amazing benefit when it comes to Lyft rides with this card, because you're getting an astounding 10 times points. And I mean, let me repeat that, 10 times points on qualifying Lyft rides through March 2022. And I'm sure when you're in the airport, sometimes you pass by this cool looking lounge or club type environment. Well, you actually get complimentary lounge access with this card for you and up to 2 guests. That includes benefits like Wi-Fi, food, alcohol, and many other things they can do in there. And I haven't personally been in one yet. I've heard good things. I've seen a lot of cool things. Maybe I'll give it a try this coming 2021. So there's also global entry or TSA pre-check fee credit up to $100 every 4 years. And if you're one of the many people that use DoorDash, there's also a 12 months of complimentary DoorDash Pass subscription to get unlimited deliveries with a $0 delivery fee and reduced services fee on orders over $12 for a minimum of 1 year on qualifying food purchases. So in addition, you can also get $60 of DoorDash statement credit in 2021. And if you're actually watching this in 2020 and you're getting this card, you can also get $60 in 2020, which would be a total of $120 of DoorDash statement credit if you're using it 2020 as well as 2021, which is amazing. And because of the virus, there's also another added benefit. Chase is actually offering a 50% boost on points redeemed towards past grocery, dining, and home improvement store purchases. This offer is actually known as the Chase Pay Yourself Back, and you actually have 90 days from when you make your purchase to redeem points towards it. From all of the items that we just went through, there's also additional benefits, which is more like coverage benefits, insurance type of thing, but here's the list. There's going to be travel cancellation insurance for up to $10,000 per person and up to $20,000 per trip for travel expenses such as passenger fares, tours, and hotels. There's auto rental collision damage waiver, reimbursement up to $75,000 for theft and collision damage. There's also lost luggage reimbursement covered up to $3,000 per passenger. There's trip delay reimbursement up to $500 per ticket. There's emergency evacuation and transportation, purchase protection on your new purchases, return protection with the first 90 days of purchase, and extended warranty protection. So that's definitely a big list. You can look over more details on it on Chase's website. And that's really all the benefits, all the rewards for this card. Definitely a big list, so you guys can kind of rewind and pause them when you need to, but it is a lot. At the same time, my recommendation, it's not an everyday type of card. It's definitely going to be a card you tend to only use during travel, but because of the pandemic, Chase is actually trying to work with everybody that has the card, and they are trying to make it more bonus points towards groceries and gas and all the other stuff. But that's going to change probably down the line when things get back to normal and travel will be more common. And one other thing to note is that you do need excellent credit to be able to get approved for this card. That could be another barrier of entry for maybe some of you. So that's going to be it for my part, but we're not done with the video yet. Mehdi's actually going to come back. All right, I'm back. And what a fabulous presentation by Professor M, right? I thought he did an amazing job. So I hope this kind of helped you figure out, is this card going to be worth it for you as the average traveler? For me, it seems like it's worth it. I will probably upgrade at some point, maybe in 2021, early 2021. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it allowed you to see the benefits of this card. I hope you enjoyed Professor M's lecture portion of it. And, well, please do hit that like button, hit the subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you in the next one. You guys stay safe, stay healthy, all that good stuff. And we'll see you in the next one. Take care.